my babies, it's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, because we are litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, dun, 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 dun. So I have selected our 500 subscriber winner of our beautiful designer dupe with the little Gucci bee inspiration and the keychain and the strap, and then there's, because I don't want to get on here lying, there's the Gucci strap that comes with it and also a gold strap, so you're getting 3 straps. So y'all know we don't have sore losers over here in this family. You know, congratulations to the winner, which the winner is Jazzy James. What's happening? What's up? So you are the winner. Everybody that entered, thank you for participating. I really do appreciate it. Y'all know this is not going to be the last giveaway. Y'all know how we get down over here. You know, I think right now we're like at 5:30. So, you know, as long as people keep subscribing to us, we'll get to that 600 mark. Y'all know I'm going to be giving away another bag. And I got a few things cooking up, just the brewing and stuff like that. So, Jazzy James, congratulations. Y'all, no fighting in the comments, no tussling. We don't tussle over here. We don't fight. Families don't fight over here. So definitely reach out to me via IG at Rare Secrets. That is my IG name. Make sure you send me your mailing information. I will try to get this shipped out within, let's see, today's Sunday. I want to try to get this shipped off by Wednesday-ish, Thursday-ish, whatever. You know, when I send it off, I'll definitely provide you with a tracking number so you can track it. But yeah, definitely try to give me your information by at least Monday or Tuesday, the latest, so I can ship it off by Wednesday. You can get your items. So yeah, once again, everybody, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for always showing me love. And, you know, comment down in the comments below. And y'all know me, I'm definitely, whether it's a reply back or just simply, you know, a thank you or a like or a heart, you know, me, I talk. Y'all talk to me, I talk back. And that will never change. But once again, Jazzy James, congratulations. You are the winner. And y'all, just definitely be looking towards the future for some more material, because your girl trying to do a shan. So once again, I'll see you guys in the next video.